Hello everybody, welcome to Super Adventures. I am Luxa, and I am joined with Matt. Hello Matt.
Hello. What's going on?
We're going to be playing Battleblock Theater.
Hopefully be killing each other quite often.
Yes.
Pick what you want. I mean, it's your character. Who am I to
press
judge?
A to join.
One of these shapes.
We get to shape our head.
Why is it looking so weird?
Oh.
Oh! Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Brush.
I'm gonna go with the block.
I'll do that.
Do I get to be? Oh! Different colors? Oh!
How do you change colors?
I'll let you know after I get orange.
Why does it say star?
Oh, it changes both our colors?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I know we both want to be orange then. This is the closest we can get. I don't know what any of that is.
That looks weird. It's a hairbrush.
Yeah, I don't get those options. Weird.
Mexican wrestler.
No, no. I'm ready. You ready? Or okay. So you just push A when you're ready. Woohoo! Correct. We don't know what we're doing. We're going in as a blind playthrough.
Good evening, boys and girls, ladies, and gentlemen. Turn the lights down low and shut your faces as I wrap you in the cozy blanket of a story. A story as heartwarming and soft as a mother's kiss. Or is it? Shh. Once upon a time, there was a boat. Now, this wasn't just any boat, children. It was a ship full of friends, hundreds of friends, best friends, one and all.
Hey, that's
Veritable
us.
friendship it was. Get it? But it wouldn't be very ladylike of me if I didn't mention the most noteworthy friend on board, Hattie Hattington. Say
Hi,
hi
Hattie.
to Hattie. Hattie was like king friend of Friendship Kingdom, best friend to one and all, in the walking definition of handsome gentleman. Now, one fine morning, Hattie and pals set out for a new, exciting adventure. What fantastic wonders would they discover this time? Perhaps they'd
He's
come
adorable.
across a
I like the
scary
little
ghost
people.
ship. Perhaps they'd find an island made entirely of candy. Perhaps they'd meet a band of scary,
no, Candy
swashbuckling
Island. Isn't
pirates
that like
and
a
join
Charlie
forces
and
to find an
Unicorn thing?
island made entirely of candy. Who knew? But it
You've never
didn't
seen
matter.
Charlie and
So long
Unicorn?
as they were together, there were
It's one of
smiles
the
to be
old
had and
YouTube
adventures to be
things where it's
shared.
just
like,
Now
come with us
today
to
it wasn't
Candy Mountain,
like
Charlie.
any other adventure day. Spirits
Oh
were
my
on
gosh,
impressively
it's so
high.
weird.
Everyone was singing and
Teacher
dancing and having a
understands
jolly
it.
time. When suddenly the ocean was all
This
like
is-
surprise and a huge,
On
massive
par
storm
with that,
brewed
like
out
the
of
tunnel
nowhere.
scene, because it's really messed up.
That was quick. And there was
Yeah,
thunder.
well, this
boom,
involves, like,
and the lightning. Boom,
Charlie's kid
and the
being
wind.
taken by
Boom.
the- yeah, it's really messed
And
up.
like that, it was over. Is everyone okay?
Justice.
Said Hattie. I don't know what I'd do if I lost even one of you, Hattie continued. But the eye of the storm is very misleading, children. Never turn your back on it because the ocean was all like psych, and it came back
Why
even
is he
bigger
called
than
Hattie, but
twice
there's no
as big.
hat?
As if
great
Poseidon
ascot.
himself
that an
extended
ascot or
his
is that a
hand in
pie?
friendship and they
French
spat
face.
in his mouth.
I like French face.
He was mad. Then the rain came down like a shower of bullets. And the
bullets?
floorboards
Was it
were
hail?
buckling and creaking and breaking,
my
and
gosh.
pieces of their ship were raining down like shards of broken dreams. And then Reginald comes upstairs and he's all like, I say, gentlemen, I do believe we're in quite a spot of bother. And everyone
did
else was
puppetry
like,
before.
really? What tipped you off, genius? And then Hattie was all like, hey, be nice. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Huge, giant waves thrashed the boats to and fro and to, carelessly sprinkling
Fro and
friend
to.
after friend into the cold, unforgiving abyss of the deep, dark ocean. Everyone was screaming like, hey, splash, splash! And there was this huge whale like, "Wah," and made it super scary. And I think there was a shark. Yep, there he is. Oh,
There
man.
he
And then Hattie was all like, hold on to your butts. Land ho! And bang, bang, bang,
like,
smash!
people are on
A
that
shipwreck,
ship.
as foretold by their fate books of fate. And while it seems like the end, this is
only
merely
two
the
people
beginning of
survive.
another fantastic
I would
journey
love
for the
to
brave
like
crew of the
see
SS
all the writing in this.
Friendship.
Like, this is ridiculous.
What a strange, mysterious island.
We
What's
are-
this? The shore is
Oh, we are.
filled with little friend-sized footprints. Guess the tide brought them to land. How utterly convenient. But where have they gotten?
Oh,
Who knows? I
What does
don't.
that do?
You?
oh, I blew myself up.
I don't. You
Wait,
welcome
we could die?
to Battleblock Theater.
Wait, those are bombs.
Go inside.
Alright,
The door.
X is the punch.
Anytime.
Yeah. Then what does this do? What am I doing? What the heck?
Why?
Okay.
Flash, why?
It makes us explode.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay,
Alright,
well,
what is...
I like... Oh, what is that? What does this do? Oh, okay. Alright, let's go in
Hey,
here, I
jump
guess.
up. Come on. Go up top.
Oh, can we double jump? We can. Yeah, go up there. See if there's anything on top of the thing. Is there anything?
Over here. Jump. Yeah, ready, jump up.
Wait, jump.
Jump.
Oh.
Yeah.
And,
Go to the left. It's right at the time of that.
oh. Okay. Get up there.
How do you... Ooh, I can't get up there.
How the heck did you do that? Okay, here. Now go on me. See if you can get on top of the cat. Oh.
Jump.
Nope.
And reach back. I think we're...
Alright. Let's go inside.
Let's sit here.
Maybe our friends came in here to take shelter from the rain. That's smart. Jeez, what a gloomy place. Ever heard of spring cleaning?
Oh yeah, for YouTube's sake, I'm just the bear-headed one. And you have the fish head. Matt has the fish. Matt has the fish one.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's a tutorial.
Oh!
I guess we can all. Wait for me! I love this game already. Notice that timer goes down only
Oh,
when...
happy day! It's Hattie! And look, he's made some wonderful new friends. Ooh, and they got him a present.
Oh, they got him a hat.
How thoughtful. Hey, wait a second. I don't think that was a present. Ha! Those guys aren't
Right.
wonderful new friends, are they? Just stay hidden and keep quiet. They haven't seen you yet. Oh no, they see you. Clench your butt. This isn't gonna be good.
Whoa! My.
Yep, that wasn't good. That wasn't good at all.
Got an achievement.
Yes, cover. How do we play that? We're better than that last person. Okay.
Do we go in here then?
Oh, so
Chapter
it's gonna,
one?
it's
Oh.
gonna tell us where to go.
We're performing on stage, I guess. Okay, so it's like one level at a
Some
time.
sparkly gems.
Oh, okay. That's why it's called Battleblock here.
So we have to get the gems to exit. Did you notice that?
Oh, you're
So we
so
get-
good. Give yourself a round of applause. You found a gem
Oh,
that
okay.
was just sitting there.
How do I... Oh. Whoa! How do you do that?
Alright,
Oh,
right trigger.
oh, that's cool. Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Get out!
Here, jump up, jump up. Oh, wait.
Okay, now you go up there. Get to that. No, you go over there. I don't think we both need to be there. Can...
How do I...
I don't know. Maybe I do need
you
to
double jump? Yeah, come back up.
You need to, like... How do I...
There you go.
Okay.
Ooh,
What?
okay, jump up. There you go. I'm gonna actually go, I'm gonna go try this thing and jump up against the wall.
Okay.
Okay. I only have like a second. No!
Oh, hey, that's
That's kind of
burn your butt. Do it there.
Oh!
Oh, it almost worked. Got it!
Hey!
Oh my gosh.
Girls.
Who knew?
Man, that actually does work though.
Okay, so
Whoa!
I really like that.
Wait, not the exit first. Alright.
Oh yeah, we still need a coin or a gem.
Oh look, yarn.
Oh, I'm drowning! I'm drowning! I'm drowning!
Yeah, apparently you can't swim.
Okay, that didn't do anything. I don't see what else we need. I'm sorry. Oh, it's over there.
And everything buttoned up and
Oh, so it won't even open until you do all three.
I like this. This is cool.
Across the bridge.
And we got yarn.
Let's see.
You do know there's an A+, right?
Oh, we do the timer?
Oh, that's alright. Oh, it's probably like if we get it done in a certain time. So.
The first one.
Nice.
Oh no!
Ah!
This is really cool. Ah,
Alright, so go back and box.
exit open. Where's the exit?
Yeah, the center block. Or there you go.
Oh,
To the right.
sure. You want to go on the bottom here? Back. Stop. I bet you.
No! Come on, we're gonna jump on that and then throw me.
Oh.
Or I'll throw you. Throw me.
Ah! That was cool.
That's awesome. Alright, now you have to get up here too.
Well, isn't that lovely? Oh, that's
Yeah!
You got it?
Yeah.
I'm so glad I came. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Jump.
And how do you,
I don't know.
oh, okay, right trigger.
Oh.
Sure you were right? Yeah. Good. Alright, I'll stand on your head. We'll walk across.
Where are you putting it?
He jumps right there. Oh, cat! I'm guessing we gotta avoid him. Ah!
You can punch him.
Oh, I can?
Okay.
Okay, we're done. We're done. Oh man, this is cool.
I think you can punch him, R trigger, and
Very good. Moving on.
I think we got time to do one more of these. One more scene. Alright, ready? Bye.
All in one place.
Bye, cat. Oh, what is it? Sorry. Oh, what is he throwing up out of his mouth? Is that a hairball? Oh my gosh. I have a jetpack.
ow.
Come down here, come down here. Oh my gosh, that's really good.
Keep jumping.
Oh, no! Here, I'll stand your head.
There you go.
Whee!
Jump over here.
Okay.
Alright, a little farther right here.
Oh, wait, I'll just do that.
Just do.
But we should get that thing down there.
Green and shiny. Just like baby food.
I don't know why I thought that we
Go.
Haha! Alright. This lava thing's killing me.
Oh, is this bad?
I feel like it should be. Oh, I'm trying to hit the cat!
Oh, you Wait, oh, there's more.
Yeah, there's more. What?
How do we...
Oh, I gotta push it. Oh, I'm gonna blow it up and then jump.
Oh! Not
Oh,
quite.
is that the only color they have? I'm sure the cat.
Oh, you're supposed to catch me. Alright. Let's see here.
Show me that.
Ooh, that would be amazing. I like how I'm gruesome, but you're prisoner too. Okay, well, you know what? That's all we have time for in this episode. So, thank you guys so much for watching. We're going to continue onward. So, I'm Luxa and
Matthew?
God bless you. Bye.